Hey there guys, who has a mic out there that has static and you just can't get rid of? Well, if you do want to get rid of it, then keep on watching. Alright guys, I'm just going to make this simple. My mic isn't producing any static right now, but it did and was mucking about with it for a while. And if you go on recording devices, and notice I have the X12 TurtleBeach, and this is my mic I've put in the brackets. It would help all the things that you're not using. The only thing you are actually using to record your voice or whatever, to record your voice, keep that active. But all the things you're not using, for example, I'm not using this, so I have disabled it. That little arrow means I have disabled it. If I enable it, it will look like this, but I'm going to disable it. I haven't disabled this because this gives a little boost to your volume, and I know you can just give a little boost by doing this, but for me that does a little static thing, so I'm not going to do that. And you can have that up. Doesn't really make a difference for me. So in enhancements, just copy this here, noise suppression, that to reduce the static background noise when recording. Your voice may not be as clear as it used to be, but it's worth it because the static goes away. Damn it. Right, if you have TurtleBeaches or headset with an attached mic like me, you do not need this on. This is only required if you have a monitor or a TV that plays your audio and then you have a mic right in front of you. So this will just reduce the echo, because if you have Xbox, I don't know if this does it in PS3, but some mics can pick up the speaker volume and it will repeat what someone has just said in your Xbox Live Party. That's the sort of thing I'm talking about. You're not wanting it doing that in your videos or on Skype or anything, so just copy that. On advanced, you can pick any one you want, but I just went on restore defaults. Let's just keep it defaults now. And for disabling everything, if you want to take a brief note what is yours without actually looking at the name and everything, you can change your icon to what it actually looks like. Out of all of them, this looks like mine, so I'm just going to do that, and you can change its name as well for your computer. So I'm just going to press OK here, so keep this on and put the level up here, and all of this restore defaults. Sorry about that. So yeah, and for this one, this sometimes always helps as well for playback devices, sorry. Again, all the things you don't use, disable. The only reason I haven't disabled my TV is because sometimes I like my audio going through my TV when my friends are here, so we can like watch YouTube videos or Netflix or play a game or something, that sort of thing. And for the last thing, this didn't really help me, but it does seem to help a lot of people. On the TurtleBeach X12s, if your mic has this, it has a USB port, an audio jack, and a microphone jack, I think it's called. I'm not too sure. Well, anyway, the USB jack, it might not be getting enough voltage off of your computer or laptop. So if you have a nearby TV, even monitors have USB parts, I think. Laptop beside you, your Xbox beside you, your Wii or anything, even just a normal iPod charger, but unplug the iPod cable, something like that. Just plug the USB into somewhere else that can get voltage except the computer you're using with your audio jack and microphone jack, because sometimes it doesn't get enough voltage, but it must get enough voltage from my computer, because it doesn't really make a difference for me. Okay guys, any questions, comment or send me a message. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this helped. Alright guys, peace.